What's up, KeanTV? I'm Joe, and I'm here with
Josh.
And we're at the open house. All right. So, why did you choose Kean?
Well, it looked really interesting. It looked like there's a lot of opportunities. The academics look really cool and diverse, and pretty much student life from here looks really high energy. It looks like there's a place for everyone.
What up, KeanTV? I'm with
Olivia, Kiara,
and we're at the open house. Tell us, what are you guys offering at KeanTV?
Right now we're ushering for all the assemblies and meetings going on, and we're just making sure everyone's at the right place they're supposed to be today.
Same here as well. We not only work here, but we also work at Wilkins and Von Ames, and also at Harvard Arena.
Yeah, so we're already keep our tuition low, so our tuition is among the lowest of all of the public comprehensive universities in the state. So right there, we're already a good value. And then on top of it, we have a variety of financial aid options. There's federal and state financial aid opportunities available. And then finally, our scholarship office. So when you apply, you can also apply for scholarships. There's even scholarships just for applying early. I think there's a $500 scholarship just if you complete your application by a certain deadline. I don't know what it is off the top of my head, but you could look it up on the Kean Financial Aid, the scholarships website. And then we have a variety of other scholarships. We have some merit-based scholarships and then some opportunity scholarships. President Farahi's actually launched a new grant series to provide additional financial support for students from low-income families in order to provide them with the opportunity of education here at Kean.
Dr. Pittman, what is it that you do as an administrator?
So, and here at Kean University, I oversee the College of Education that consists of 3 programs: the School of Curriculum and Teaching, the School of Health and Human Performance, and the School of Special Education and Literacy. So each of those executive directors reports to me as the dean of the college.
Can you give a little insight to what each of those programs do?
Sure. Our School of Curriculum and Teaching works to train educators who are interested in teaching really actually any level of teaching, whether it's elementary school, middle school, preschool actually, or high school. Our School of Health and Human Performance works with those individuals who are interested in professions, whether physical education, recreation, therapy, working with students with special needs. And finally, the School of Special Education also does similarly, works with those individuals who are interested in teaching students who have particular intellectual or other disabilities.
We're in the Myron Student Center food court, which is a retail location. So we've got all different stations, starting with Jersey Mike's. We've got pizza station, pasta made to order, Chef's Corner that has entree station, Sono, which is our Southwest concept, and Green Zebra, which is a local kind of vegetable, local produce, and a salad bar, make your own type salad bar.
What's up, KeanTV? I'm Joe, and I'm here with...
My name's Morgan.
And we're at the open house. So, what brought you to Kean?
Well, actually, I'm looking to play basketball here, so that kind of got me into just looking around the campus.
What major are you hoping to get into?
I want to double major in psychology and sociology.
Why would you do that?
I want to be a lawyer later in life. I want to be a child advocate lawyer. So,
do you think this presentation benefited you in any way?
Yeah, definitely. I just kind of learned a little bit more about my options and what I can do to kind of get a better chance to get into the school and kind of help out my financial aid.